Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be reviewing the review and kind of a unboxing of the PS Vita trigger grips. These things cost $15 at GameStop, and I guess if you order them they cost $15 too. And here's some pictures that show you what they do, the trigger thing, the back D-pad where you could touch it, and then how it looks, oh damn, and then how it looks standing. So that's how it comes. And then you just take this fake PS Vita out, and then you got the trigger grips. These things are like really cool. They have great grip right here. Like it won't move. And then back here, it looks good. Like when you hold it, has good grip. And these trigger things, they're kind of stiff at first, but when you get used to it, you're like, whatever. And then the camera is open for you to take pictures while you have it on, and this thing's open too. And yeah, so right now I have this one, the Hori. I think it's called the Hori. The case for the Vita. I made a video about this, the unboxing. If you guys want to go check it out, you guys could. So this is how you put it on. So what you want to do is you want to put the L and R buttons first. So put that in first, and then there's these things right here that lock it. They lock it in place where it won't fall down like that. But I'm pretty sure you guys ain't gonna be playing like that unless you guys are like playing while you guys are in bed or something. But yeah, they'll still won't fall off. They have pretty tight grip right here. And yeah, when you press them, they feel harder because they're actually pressing the buttons inside, so they feel harder, but they feel much better when you're playing like shooter games, Killzone and everything. They feel way better, and just grabbing it feels good. At first you're gonna feel kind of weird because like you're used to the little PS Vita. It's gonna feel kind of weird, but then once you get used to it, once you get like at least an hour and a half on it, and it'll feel better. It feels way better. Yeah, so that's it guys on the unboxing and kind of a review of the PS Vita trigger grips. If you guys want one of these, go get one. They're pretty nice, especially when Killzone is coming out on September 10th. It's gonna be awesome. So yeah guys, thanks for watching guys. I'll make some Killzone gameplay with these, and yeah, peace out.